Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a return walk. The return walk, obviously knowing how to do a travelling return, I think is going to be useful, but we're going to go straight from scratch. Looks like this, goes. And to be fair, you probably want slightly more room than we've got here, but it goes like this, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down, and you'll kind of see how a little bit more space will be useful, because it starts off with a semicircle and back, and you're working off of a travelling return. Now I'm going to do a very short travelling return, because a long travelling return would have Karen all the way over there before the walk even began. You can do this off a static travelling return, but you'll find it harder to generate the walk in the first place. So we start the travelling return. Instead of the guy moving away from the lady, he's going to move towards the lady. You're going to bring the hand down, we're going to take it through the middle, and the guy's going to join in at the lady's side. So we're trying to get side by side, lady on the left, guy on the right. We want the hand at elbow height, when the elbow pretty much below the shoulder, and we'd like our elbows very close together. Touching is good. So from here we can guide the walk, and we're going to walk and walk. Give the lady a little nudge with the elbow as we go back over to the left, guys. So we're sending the lady out and turning at her face. We're stepping over to the left to get out of the way, and then it's just a normal travelling return to finish. So let's do that again and think some numbers. So we go semicircle and back. 1, small travelling return. 2, join in and walk. 3 and 4, nudge and away, guys getting out of the way. 5, travelling return. 6 and facing. 7. And for anyone keeping count of the alternating rule about turning one way then the other and thinking, oh, we did a return and then a return again, the turning to face matches up for the twisting, so you don't end up getting dizzy. Okay, so let's do it. Looks like this. Goes 5, a 6, return or walk. We go a back, returning, walking, walking, out of the way, over the top, and stop. And that is that, the return walk. Sweet, and it's quite a nice way of just fancying up the end of another move. Okay, good if you're trying to kind of like buy time to make it to the end of a musical phrase or something like that. Okay, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Everyone helping to promote the channel like that is really appreciated, and we'll stick a music recommendation on the end. See you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.